It's spring on the homestead. Welcome to Three Little Peeps Homestead. Let's check it out. We added 3 different types of apple trees to the homestead this year. The boys had a lot of fun helping us to plant them. They're going to be great for our native pollinators, including the bees and the moths and the butterflies. But we're also pretty excited about the fruit that they're going to bear in the years to come.
Okay, now she's like, where is this and why am I here? Be careful for the 2.
What are we going to use them for, Maxie? We're going to use them for our apple trees?
Can I help you take some, Tommy?
We had some roundbill wrap tubes left over from last season, so my husband sliced them in half and then we placed them around the base of each apple tree to provide support as they grow. The trees have been doing really well. At some point we may have to fence them in to protect them from deer, but at this point they're thriving.
How did that thing get out? He got out from the fence hole. They're supposed to be out from
Is she our fence jumper?
Yep. I think she is.
Naughty cow.
Yep.
But we want to snip them at our fingers, okay?
Look at this.
Like that. So we leave this stump behind. That's got the spores in it. And we're going to put it in our bag or your basket.
Put it in your basket.
Take that off.
My husband introduced me to Morels a few years ago. I was pretty nervous about eating something that we'd foraged, but they're delicious.
Just pinch it right underneath it, okay? So we don't take the spore. Perfect. You see another one over there? Sawyer, see him? See him right in there?
Yep.
Just pinch it at the very bottom. Perfect. Put it in your basket.
Mom, gotta take that part off, right, Mom?
Look at yours.
Yeah, we want to leave as much of the stem in as we can.
Yeah. That looks
Morels are pretty elusive, but we've been having some pretty good luck finding them near dead elm trees or other types of decaying trees on the edge of our fields or in the forest. Good job.
So we gotta pick right from the bottom. We want to leave the spores.
When you find a morel mushroom, you want to pinch or cut the stem at the ground level to leave the roots in the soil so that it will propagate again next year.
Dad, show me his. Dad, show me his honey hole.
Show me. Wow. Did you get a lot?
Yeah. That was the one we wanted.
We were so lucky this year. Lots of beautiful mushrooms.
Mushroom hunting. Thank you, mushroom hunting. Fungus. Fungus. Fungus.
If you're not going to eat them fresh, you can always dehydrate mushrooms to save them.
So we know what's in there. Only that one goes to the red one. The one's in the bag. That label goes. I didn't make labels.
I love looking back on these video clips and seeing my children's bare feet. When they have dirty toes at the end of a day, I know it's been a great day and they've spent a ton of time outside.
I mean, that's one way of doing it, but you don't have to.
What's they doing?
Just kind of spread them.
Container gardens are a really great way to get kids involved with planting, and it's easy, it's very hard for them to mess up, and it's so fun. You do? What kind of help do you need? Okay. While we wait for the warm temperatures to place everything in the ground, we've got a really good start on it in our greenhouse. I love this greenhouse that my husband built from reclaimed windows. It works fantastic and houses a lot of plants for us. Don't mind the painter's tape, it's gonna get a makeover. Thanks for checking out some of our spring activities. We're gonna have another video coming soon where we introduce you to our piggies and our brand new chicks.